Good evening, children. How are you all? I hope you all good. So be at home and safe at home. So children, you all know that from today onwards we are going to start online classes, or else we will call it as WhatsApp classes. So children, in the first, mainly you have to do two things. One, you have to maintain two books, one book for your classwork and one book for your homework. So what are the classworks and what are the notes we are giving? That notes you have to maintain in your classwork. And what are the worksheet and what are the homeworks we are giving? That you have to maintain in your homework book. So children, already we were discuss this lesson in the previous class only. So we'll revise or recall the same lesson one more time. Okay children. So see that now I'm going to take the class of social lesson number 1, early humans and their life. So children, before we are going to start with the lesson, once we'll revise or recall the lesson and we'll revise the new words. Okay children. So see here, there is a new words. So new words are early humans. EARLY, early humans. HUMANS, early humans. Second one, circular. CIRCULAR, circular. Third one, wheel. WHEEL, wheel. Fourth one, mankind. MAN, mankind. KIND, mankind. Fifth one, missions. MACHINES, missions. Okay, so children, these new words you have to write down in your homework book one time. Okay children, so now let's move to the lesson. Early humans. So, as we know that early humans were people who lived many thousands of years ago. They lived in caves and forests. They lived a very simple life. So, early humans were people who lived many thousands of years ago. Now, then the early humans, they were living in caves and forests. So, where early humans were living? They are living in caves and forests, and they are leading their life very simple. They are leading their life very simply, children. Okay, so early humans, they ate fruits and roots of trees and hunted animals. They are not eating a food like us. Early humans were eating fruits and roots of trees and hunted animals. Children, look at this picture. Here you can observe that they are eating the hunted animal. They are eating that hunted animal. And here in the second picture, you may observe that they are eating the fruits and roots of the trees. So early humans, they ate fruits and roots of trees and hunted animals. Next, early humans did not know many things that we know or do today. They did not know how to grow food, cook food, and build houses, but they could think and speak. Children, early humans, they did not know how to grow the food. They did not know how to grow the food, and they did not know that how to cook the food also. And they did not know how to build the houses. They are not living in a building. They are living in caves and forests. But they could think and speak. They could think and they can speak. Next, we'll move to the invention of the wheel. So how early humans, the invention of the wheel. So children, in earlier days, there were no vehicles. So now we were having so many vehicles, we can see. But in the earlier days, there was no vehicle. Early humans used to walk from place to place. So they used to walk from place to place. There were no vehicles. So people used to carry heavy loads themselves or with the help of animals. So people used to carry heavy loads themselves or with the help of the animals. So you can observe here there is a donkey. So in the earlier days there is no vehicles. So for that the people they are carrying the heavy loads themselves or with the help of the animals they are carrying the loads. Wheel. How early humans invented the wheel. So here we are going to learn how they will invented the wheel. So early humans started using a logs of wood to send heavy things from place to place. At the first, people placed cart over logs of wood and roll them or pull them. Children, so before that there is a no vehicle. So then later on early humans started using a logs of wood to send heavy things from place to place, or else before that they used to walk from place to place, or they have to use animals to send the things from one place to another place. So then later on they started the using logs of wood to send the heavy things from place to place. At the first, people place a cart over a logs of wood and roll them or pull them. Then after the people were started to cart over a logs of wood and roll them or pull them. So later they discovered that logs could be cut into a circular disc to make a wheel. So early humans understood that they discovered that the logs could be cut into a circular disc. See, look at this picture, children. You may observe this. This is a wheel. These logs can be cut into a circular disc. Circular disc to make an wheel. To make a wheel, the logs could be cut into a circular disc. Changes were made later to the wooden disc, and that is how we got the wheel know today. So how we came to know how they made a wheel? Because of these lessons we came to know that how they discovered that how they invented the wheel. The logs could be cut into a circular disc to make a wheel like this. So look at this picture. Like this they made the wheel. So the wheel is one of the most important invention of mankind because it led to the invention of many machines. The wheel is one of the most important invention of mankind. So who invented these machines? These machines are invented by the early humans, and it is because it led to the inventions of many machines. So then after the people were we were started the inventions of the many machines, not only the cart or bullock cart, the bicycles, not only some things like this. More than that, the peoples were started to invent the machines. Understood, children? So I hope you all understood the lesson. So once you have to revise the lesson and you have to practice the new words what I had given. Thank you, children.